Hi everyone, welcome to the Kalwas. This is your host Dr. Haider Shah. I hope you will be enjoying our different videos on a different topic. So today we have very interesting topic and that is what is real success? When we are talking about the success, what is real success in life? Most of the time we are seeing that people they portray that they are having a very wonderful life, successful life, but is it real or not? And what is the philosophy of real success? So, being rich or being famous or having the material things mean the successful life? To me, there is a big no for that. In my opinion, the success depends upon the few things and for what we need to answer ourselves few questions. And I would recommend you to ask these questions from yourself in order to know whether you are having a successful life or not. The first question you need to answer to yourself is are you happy with your life when you are alone? Are you completely satisfied with your life? Answer to yourself. Second important thing, the second question is are you real? Your lifestyle, your dressing, the way you carry yourself or portraying to the world, is it real? Is it genuine? Okay. The third important question is do your talks match with your actions as well? Seem to be too soft or humble? Are you really, or you just want to portray to the world that you are very soft and you are very humble? Are you genuine or not? The fourth important question is do you have a peace of mind when you are alone? When nobody's watching you, nobody's around you? Are you having a peace of mind? That is important question. Then the fifth question is do you enjoy what you do for a living? For example, your job. Do you have the real passion for that or not? So again, it would lead to your satisfaction as well as for your peace of mind. The sixth important question is are you contributing back to the society in whatever form, in whatever field, or in whatever industry you are? Are you contributing to the world, to the community, to this planet, or not? And seven, the last but not the least, is when you will be no more in this world, will the world or the people remember you in good terms or not? Now, these are the seven questions you need to answer yourself. Now, gauge yourself and your life and answer to yourself are you having a successful life? If yes, go ahead with this philosophy of life. If not, then rethink and reestablish your perspective of life and enjoy the real successful life and be genuine. I hope this video will help you in getting the real success in life. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you have any suggestion or comment to us, do write on in the comment section or you can email us on info@kalwas.com. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.